Good morning. I am Dr.Achara Banjongprasert from the School of International Affairs, Faculty of Political Science and Public Administration, Chiang University. Today, I would like to present the summary of the research project on the title of The Challenge of Electronic Waste or E-Waste Management in Thailand, the case of transboundary movement. Before I continue my presentations, I would like to use this opportunity to thank you, the Murata Science Foundation, for the support of this project. I would like to begin my presentation by drawing a global concern from waste from electronic devices and products. And this global concern also includes in Thailand. As you can see from the bar chart, the quantity of used e-waste imported into Thailand rose sharply, especially since 2016-2017. This is because of the China's ban policy on waste on importing e-waste initiated in 2017. As a result, there has been a growing concern that Thailand would be a new global dumping ground for transboundary e-waste. So because of this problem, this research project concentrated on the examinations of adaptive capacity of governance that's used in the transboundary e-waste imported from abroad. And also we try to propose the way to improve the adaptive capacities of the transboundary e-waste in Thailand. To address the research objective, we use qualitative interview to gather information from a wide range of informants, ranging from state agency, private sector, NGO, and academic. And what we found from the interview is that the governance that can respond to the transboundary e-waste in Thailand is adaptive governance. Adaptive governance is governance that has capacity to manage uncertainty and complexity in changing environment. So this research we developed the main four elements of adaptive governance, containing the first, learning and knowledge; second, decentralized or polycentric structure; third, fair; and the last, public participations and deliberations. And we use this framework to analyze and examine the adaptive capacity of governance in this case. And what we found is that the governance in Thailand rely a lot on command and control style of governance, which has low capacity in adaptive capacity. And the policy that the governance in Thailand rely much is on the ban measure to control the flooding of transboundary e-waste importing from abroad. Although the ban policy helped reduce the influx of transboundary e-waste in Thailand, the ban policy cannot help to tackle all relevant problems, especially the problem from illegal import of e-waste, the expansions of illegal recycling factory in Thailand, and the last, the severe impacts on local community and environment. Therefore, this research project proposed that more action and strategy need to be taken, especially the strategy to develop or establish an effective monitoring system to trace the trail of illegal e-waste that's smuggled into Thailand. And also we need to use a mechanism and strategic mechanism of international negotiation and collaboration with global communities and organizations to tackle the problem in the context of transboundary e-waste movement. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.